Look at this colorful street market scene. It is evening, and the sun is setting behind tall buildings. The sky is glowing with beautiful shades of orange and pink. On the left side, a friendly fruit seller is handing an apple to a woman with a basket. His cart is full of fresh apples, bananas, and green pears. A dog is sleeping peacefully near the cart. In the middle of the street, a girl in a school uniform is walking with a blue backpack. Two boys with helmets are riding their bicycles behind her. On the right side, a potter is arranging clay pots and bowls outside his shop. Many people are walking, shopping, and enjoying the evening. The street lamps are glowing warmly, making the market look bright and lively.
What fruits can be seen on the seller's cart? The seller's cart has apples, bananas, and green pears neatly arranged on it. Who is walking in the middle of the street? A schoolgirl is walking in the middle of the street. What are the two boys doing behind the girl? The two boys are riding their bicycles. The girl is carrying a blue backpack. What is the girl carrying? The potter is arranging clay pots. Who is arranging clay pots? The dog is sleeping near the fruit cart. Where is the dog sleeping?